This is the Victorinox Swiss Army Recruit. I've had this for a while. Picked it up for about 23, 22 bucks. Very handy little knife. Sharpened it a couple times. It's got your main blade right here. It's got a smaller little, about half the size of this blade. It's got a bottle opener and a little flathead screwdriver. A little can opener, and a smaller flathead screwdriver on this end. And it's also got a little toothpick and the little tweezers. Very flimsy, kind of small. I've used one of these to pull out a splinter once, and it works in a pinch. It's not bad for tweezers built into a little pocket knife. There we go, Swiss Army Recruit.